We'll solve this numerical. The question is, locate the centroid of the shaded area. Whatever the shaded area is there, sky blue color, the shaded area, we have to determine the centroid of the shaded area. Okay, now actually it is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle, but due to this cutting portion, due to cutting of this semicircle, due to cutting of this rectangle, okay, cutting of this semicircle, cutting of this rectangle, what will happen? The CG will get change, its centroid point will get change, and that change in that point that we have to determine. Okay, so again for like the standard procedure, we can divide this figure into standard geometrical figure. Okay, that may be like this. So this is area, let's say A1, okay, A1, A2, A3, this area 2, area 3 and area 4, like this. So this is rectangle 12 by 10, okay, 12 centimeter by this 10 here, sorry, that is in inch. Okay, 12 inch by 10 inch height. Okay, then this area 2 of 6 inch width. Okay, here this rectangle from here to here, this distance is 6 centimeter. Okay, how that comes? So that will, this total distance, okay, this total distance will be equal to 3 plus, now here 3 centimeter, 3 inches radius, so this is 6. Okay, so 3 plus 6 is 9 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, so 9 plus 4, so 13 plus 5, so that will be 18. Okay, that will be 18. Total distance is 18. Okay, from here to here total distance is 18 minus this 12, so this distance will be 6. Okay, this distance will be 6. I write it here. Then this semicircle. Okay, so we can divide that figure like this and we can make a table. Okay, so figure number, so for little bit easy calculation I have made this table. Okay, you may use this table or you may not use this table, but I will prefer to use this table all in the numerical of the centroid. Okay, that will be little bit taking a systematic. Okay, so figure number 1, so that will be this rectangle 12 by 10, so x is 6 centimeter. Okay, x intercept centroid of that rectangle from y axis, so here distance is 12 by 2, so 6 centimeter. Y intercept is 10 by 5, so 5 centimeter. Sorry, here units are inch. Okay, 5 inch. Area is 120 inch square. Okay, then for this figure 2, now figure 2 is this rectangle, so for that rectangle x is 40. Now how that this comes? Okay, now so for this rectangle, so from here centroid will be 6 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, so that will be 2, 6 divided by 3, that will be 2, so 12 plus 2, so this will be 14. Okay, this will be 14. Then y intercept 3.33, so from here, from x axis, its centroid will be total distance, total height divided by 3, so that will be 10 divided by 3, so that will be 3.33, and area half of base into height, so 30 inch square. Okay, then for figure 3, now figure 3 is this half circle, semicircle, so x intercept is this 3 plus this 3 radius, so that will be 6. Y intercept, so you know the formula, so that will be 4r divided by 3 pi. Okay, this 1.273 is found out using the formula for the center of the circle, so that will be from here to here 4r divided by 3 pi. Distance will be 4 times radius divided by 3 times pi. Okay, 4r divided by 3 pi. Then area, so area for semicircle, either you can use pi r square by 2, okay, or pi d, okay, pi r square by 2. Okay, then for the area 4, so that will be this rectangle here, that is this rectangle size is 2 by 4. So again the x intercept, so centroid, so from here to here 4 by 2, so from here to here 2 plus this 2, so that will be x is okay, sorry, so that will be y is 4 here, and x, so that x will be 2 divided by 1, x will be centered from here, so that will be 2 divided by 1, sorry, that will be 2 divided by 1, okay, 2 divided, so from here to here that will be 1 plus here, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, okay, so that will be 12, and the area, so base into height, and we can use the formula as x intercept is equal to, that will be x intercept of the composite figure is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 minus a3 x3 minus a4 x4 divided by the total area a1 plus a2 minus a3 minus a4 here, okay, here a mistake is there, here that should be a4, okay, here this should be a4. Now a1 a2 they are taken as positive area, this a1 rectangle is taken as positive, this rectangle is taken as positive, as well as this triangle is taken as positive because it is in the shaded area, it is in the shaded area, therefore that is taken as positive, whereas a3 and a4, this a3 this is taken as negative, and a4 this is also taken as negative because that is not in the shaded area, that is the cutting portion, okay, so that must be taken as negative, okay. Then so putting the values from the table we will get the answer as x intercept is equal to 7.5 inch, okay. Then similar formula will be there for y intercept, so a1 y1 plus a2 y2 minus a3 y3 minus a4 y4, again here a mistake is there, here that should be a4 y4, okay, here that should be a4 and y4, okay, here 4 figures are there, divided by a1 plus a2 minus a3 minus a4, so again putting the values from the tables we will get the answer y intercept as 5.08 inch and x intercept 7.05 inch, so that will be the final answer, okay. Remember that whenever we divide that figure into standard geometrical figure, that should be a minimum number, okay, that should be a minimum number because the calculation will be less. Now here in this diagram we can also convert this figure like this, so 12 plus 6, so 18 centimeter by 10 centimeter rectangle, again this area this rectangle, and this is minus area minus area minus, like this also we can do the calculations, okay. But see which is the easiest one, that will be again we have to convert into 4 areas only, okay. So I will suggest to do the calculation on your own, okay. After this formula after writing this formula pause the video, put the values and see your calculation and this value match. Again after formula for y intercept, pause this video and do the calculation on the calculator and see that your answer and this answer must be same, okay. If you find any difficulty you can comment it in the comment section, okay. Thank you.